What's up, traders? It's Masood here from London. I predicted five pairs in my market analysis video for this last week that ended yesterday. And I'm gonna see the result of my predictions in this video. Before that, traders, I not only make market analysis videos every week, which has an amazing result, and also I do live trading sessions, the London sessions, every day of the week, at Monday to Thursday, most probably, and sometimes Friday as well. So subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for the updates. First pair that I predicted, all the markings are still on the chart from my last week market analysis video. First pair was gold and against dollar, and the time frame was daily. It was somewhere around in this area, and I predicted if it breaks down this strong daily support level, it can keep going further down, and exactly that is what happened. Even if you when this candle broke down, even if you take it from there, it went down around 146 pips. So it exactly played out as I predicted. The next pair was NZD USD. That was also on a daily time frame, and it was somewhere around here the previous week. And last week I predicted that after a bit of a little pullback and retest, the entries on momentum candle entries can be taken, and it can go further down. So let's see, even if we take it from here, how many pips it traveled down last week. Around 69 to 70 pips it traveled down into the direction that I predicted. The next pair was NZDCHF. Again on a daily time frame, the my markings are still there. It was somewhere around this area, and I said that after a little pullback, it can keep going down further down. It did a bit of pullback, a retest, and on lower time frames there were entries available. Even if you take it from somewhere from here, it traveled down not much, but around 26 pips. So it played out according to my prediction as well. Then the next pair was Euro NZD. Again on daily time frame, markings are still there. It was somewhere around this area, the previous week. And my prediction was that if it comes down for a pullback or a retest, and then on the momentum shift, we can momentum back into the market towards upside, the entries can be taken. It didn't do much pullback, but it still went up. If you even you take it from here, it went up around 100 pips. So that played out pretty well as well according to my prediction. Euro JPY was the last pair that I analyzed in my last week's market analysis video. I It was somewhere around this area, and my prediction was to wait for a pullback, and then take the entry. It can keep going up side. It didn't do much. It went sideways, and it still is on this support level at the moment. So basically there was no trade available in this pair. So I mean, traders, out of the five pairs, one went sideways, and the four others went into the direction that I predicted as usual. And Lots of hundreds of pips were available in those pairs. So traders, you can take benefit from my free of cost market analysis videos, and I do live trading on my this YouTube channel. So subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, and join my Telegram group as well for the updates, which is in the description. And come and do live trading with me. Until next video, traders, look after yourselves.